along with the leaders of the ruling dispensation, they had been coming and threatening and lodged a complaint to that effect. If your lordship is not satisfied with my submission, your lordship would call for the call records of those persons. What an Upapradhan or a Panchayat member has to do with a law and order situation of a particular place?
Complete the investigation according to law, file charge sheet, because once the permission is granted, you do the in this manner, then this will be treated as a complaint case. And how are you going to place these documents?
My instructions are that on this basis they will surrender before the court. They will be given.
How will the trial go on? Under which procedure of law? You tell me. Under CRPC, which are the provisions are to be followed? Or BNSS now? Tell me. You have expert police officers, superior police officers, experts. Ask them now under which provision of law this process before the court will follow. Advise the court.
ঘটনাটা তো ঘটেছে, তাহলে তার সম্বন্ধে কি করবেন?
Mr. Rahul, I'm telling you one thing. If police officers go like this, diluting the case, there is no case. Under the CRPC, I'm telling you, the accused will come before the High Court, it will be quashed. This is totally, this is 2D complaint, basically. The person could have himself gone to the court under 323 with the medical report. Why is police assistance required, sir? What is the use of keeping police authorities? Ask him, this is a he is proceeding as this police report will be treated as a complaint. And you see the definition of complaint, a report of the police is not to be treated as a complaint. See the basic definition of complaint under the BNSS or the CRPC. There's a question you will first you will get in the law examinations also. What is a complaint?
May I submit on a
My lord,
একটা জায়গায় ধরেছি একটু wait কর. So far as that is concerned,
My lord, would kindly consider an allegation was made under the SC/ST Act. Your lordship in the matter.
there's a second part. I'll come to that. Second part. I'll come to that. Let him say he has done this thing. What is the fate of this thing being done?
my lord,
Some exercises have been done by the police authorities by using the government end stationaries. What is the fate of this?
according to them, this prosecution, they will be bound down. That is their end of the road.
You
What they say.
I don't understand.
My
How,
lord, my lord,
an offense has been made out, so a trial is required.
my lord, my lord, my lord.
I'm just seeking advice that under which provision of law the trial will proceed. You don't say no offense has been made out. You say some offense is made out. That's a non-cog account. Let me accept you. You are correct in every respect. What will the court do? Declare the persons convicted?
Not the court.
You tell me.
Dependent on the summon of the court, that the court will summon them.
And how will the court proceed now?
শেষই করে দিলেন।
এটা কবে সাবমিটেড হয়েছে? 28/9/2024. Today we are on month of March. Cognizance has been taken or not?
That they don't have.
This is difficulty, sir. You won't be able to keep law and order like this, sir. It would have been easier if they sought permission for registration of FIR under non-cognizable offences.
By this time, it could have been.
You could have controlled the persons concerned, sir.
At least an investigation to have.
You would have control over the persons. See, there is some problem. You can't say.
That is admittedly what the report also says. So
complainant will exaggerate. State accused will say I'm innocent. This is where you have got to move. The average in criminal case everywhere.
With respect to the present status, my lord, let us come back, my lord. Some time be given.
Next. Ask him to now. let's come to the complaint which was filed, sir. That's at page 20, your
Yes, my
complaint.
page 20.
The 20.
Page 20.
Hmm.
Annex to C.
What have you investigated regarding this part, page 21? Third, fourth sentence, go onwards from there.
Investigation করেছে না? এই যে যেটা বলেছে,
সকালবেলা যত বাজে মামলা।
এটা কি বলছে দেখুন।
Any of the persons who have you checked from this person Chandan sheet? Who were the persons who were there at the relevant point of time?
তারা ছিল accused এগুলো করেছে। না না তাকে কি যে চন্দন শীতকে কি দেখে কিছু জিজ্ঞাসাবাদ করেছিলেন?
আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড তো? সরকারি কাজ আমিও করেছি, খুব মুশকিল।
মানে তো what I have been told that he was and he was not at home at that point of time. Several times they visited, they could not.
You say shop is open, he is carrying on business.
Right now he is kind of ये दोगे ना? Oh, his wife is now running the business मतलब from the shop
Ah.
owner. He is not available
He is not available till now.
till
Record further statement of this Chandan.
regularly he is not present over
All
there.
right, record statement. If he divulges any name,
My lord,
do that.
My
Do
lord,
the you understand as
my
a
lord,
council of
let
the
him-
state, you
my lord,
understand also some problem.
may I just simply suggest one issue, my lord? Let him file a fresh complaint,
No, this complaint only, sir.
at least a statement to the police.
Statement to the
So
police,
that
definitely.
They may
Statement to
see
the
and-
police. Please do this because please do
My
this,
lord,
sir.
my lord.
You see, finality is something different, but every threshold is completely different. When you start the case, you need not think that there will be a conviction.
My lord, let him go to the SDPO himself and whatever statement he wants to make, let him
Let him
mistake, my lord. They
Work on that, give it, sir.
In that
certainly,
premise,
my
I
lord,
would
that I'll,
agree.
my lord.
Because after your lordship on the last occasion had passed an order, the SDPO along with the leaders of the ruling dispensation, they had been coming and threatening and lodged a complaint to that effect. If your lordship is not satisfied with my submission, your lordship would call for the call records of those persons. What an Upapradhan or a Panchayat member has to do with a law and order situation of a particular place?
Oh, that is gone now. So you forget
So
that.
that is
I'm
the
giving. I'm
pressure of
very
threatening.
that I whatever is there, outcome is there. I have given my mind to him. Take care, sir. Ask your officer. Otherwise, don't
Particular
force.
email ID or something
No, no,
given so that a notice will be given. He will come up and give his
He
statement.
will go to the office of the SDPO
Very well.
and he will record the statement. Ask him who were the persons present over there. Record their
Absolutely.
statements. Come to a
Absolutely.
conclusion.
According to a procedure, yes, it will
As
has to
simple
be,
as that.
my lord, only the date and time be fixed, my lord, so that I'll
Your
instruct
lordship
here and now.
directs a
He
date
will
and
be
time,
there.
my lord. That would
Yes, yes, yes. We also want let it be.
When is he available? SDPO at his office.
Okay. Tomorrow you will present. Own
Pro-
time. বলুন। At about 11 in the morning. At about 11 morning.
At about 11. Yes, yes, yes.
Just it is লিখে নিন না গৌরদা। Do something, sir. This way you won't be able to keep law and order, sir. Things are becoming difficult. You don't know what will be the fate of what you are doing. Is this accepted from a superior officer?
My lord, this is not something that the police cannot do. They are not doing. My lord.
I'm
What
not-
I'm saying, your lordship on the first occasion directed them to register an FIR. State assured that was recorded. My lord, kindly sees the attitude of the police. The
No,
SDPO
no,
is trying
not
tooth
an
and nail.
FIR directly. Don't.
They are trying tooth and nail to
was
protect
not-
this person.
No, no, no.
The
We have,
SDPO himself, he is keeping his job at stake to protect this
Yeah,
person.
all right. We'll see, sir. You have come to a court of
Yes,
law.
yes, my lord, kindly.
Have faith on the
My-
court of
my
law.
lord,
We'll do.
I'll wait.
आज हम petitioner who would attend the office of the SDPO on কালকে কত 22 না on 22nd of March 2025 at 11 a.m. বললাম at 11 a.m. In view of the reports so submitted, this is SDPO Kontai, who SDPO,
SDPO contact.
the SDPO Kontai who would record the statement, cross-check regarding the initial accusations made in the information furnished
At page 21, my lord, let it
at
be
page
requested.
at page 20/21 of the writ petition, and thereafter if he finds that any cognizable offense is made out, he would proceed in accordance with law and submit a fresh report before this court.
My lord.
In the meantime, the SDPO would instruct the inspector in charge of the local police station to ensure that there is no breach of the peace and no tranquility at the local. Next, 21 তো 28th I am keeping the matter. List the writ petition under the heading to be mentioned on 28th of March 2000. You take back these papers. I'm not satisfied. Training, whose papers are this? Is এবার সব ট্রেনিং এ পাঠিয়ে দেবো সবে ট্রেনিং ইনস্টিটিউট গুলো পড়ে আছে বেকার
Grateful.
Item number 2.
Yes.